In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then click on All Services. Select Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Following that, tap on any of your added passwords that you wish to check and enter your screen lock. Then click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!